In this video, I'll show you how to earn USDT in Binance. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. So here is how to earn USDT rewards from Binance Pay. Simply log into your Binance account and go to more pay, spend to earn, right? Now, under all merchants, you need to select your preferred and click get the offer link, right? And it should look something like this one. Get the offer link right here, right? And after doing so, you can also see the history on the spend to earn homepage to view your latest reward transaction, right? So here, in the if the transaction with the merchant is successfully approved, your reward will be credited to your Binance account the next month after the merchant confirms the reward. Something like this one, right? And after the reward is distributed, it will be added to the total reward amount, right? Stay here, okay? If you have completed the identity verification, you can check the reward credited to your funding wallet right here on the pay transaction history page. If you haven't completed identity verification, your rewards will be locked and can't be used. So the received reward will be distributed within 24 hours after verification passed, right? And that's how you earn USDT in Binance. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next video.